Point P, 20, 22, is reflected across the y-axis. So when a point is reflected over the y-axis, it's going to end up over here, which means the y value stays the same and the x value is going to become opposite. Now it's then reflected across the x-axis, so that means it's going to become P double prime. So now it's the y value that becomes negative. So we have negative 20, negative 22. And then it's rotated 180 degrees about the origin. Now let's make this a little simpler. If I have the point 1, 2, and I rotate it 180 degrees, it's going to end up down here at negative 1, negative 2. The x and y values, they don't swap places, they just become opposite. So P triple prime is just going to become 20, 22. It's going to be the same point as where we started. So the distance between them is 0.